What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the SWILL Entertainment channel. All right, so we got another reaction by my man Mesus. It's called Screws Loose. But before all that gets said and done, I fell in love with this artist music back when he was doing one called he was doing a Nick Cannon disc, but it wasn't really a Nick Cannon disc because he actually made this track before Nick Cannon started to act up. I don't hear anything from Nick. I haven't heard anything from Nick in a while lately. All right, but he made one called Home, and one called Guest, and I love those. And when I was doing the Swill radio, it was blowing. That track blew up, man. It was blowing up hard. So hopefully, Screws Loose is definitely not going to fail to amaze me, which I know it's not because Mesus is almost like Jesus, almost. But let's go ahead and listen to this one. Let's go and see what's going on.
Mama dropped me on my ass on the day that I was born. I can't blame her, I've been bad since the day that I was born. Slap my nurse's ass, told the girl, let's get it on.
Now keep in mind, this is one of you guys that recommended this track to me. I never listened to it, haven't heard it, so I just want to see what it's all about. But he said that his mom dropped him on his ass when he was born. He slapped the nurse's ass when he was born too. That's kind of funny to me. That sounds like something I would probably do, you know? Let's go ahead and check it out.
I can't blame her, I've been bad since the day that I was born. Slap my nurse's ass, told the girl, let's get it on. Try to tell you that I'm crazy, just don't say that I am. Yeah, say I won't, say like me, get you smoke, chill like we, bitch I'm dope, chill like we, I just run with, we chill like we, yeah, ain't no fucking tellin' what the hell am I say, tell the lame motherfuckers that the head on my way, think I blame motherfucker, but it ain't okay, no way, give me like a head away, go back to the year away, try to press calls and it still go crazy, 5150 got a hole in my brain, if you thinking what I'm thinking, then go insane, it's Charlie Loco.
You say no beat like an 808 beat. If you're thinking what I'm thinking, then you're insane. So I guess I'm insane. I'm thinking almost what you're thinking, but I want to know everything you're thinking. So let's listen to the rest of this track. Let me rewind a little bit.
Like a 808, go back to the 808, try to press calls and it still go crazy, 5150 got a hole in my brain, if you thinking what I'm thinking, then go insane, it's Charlie Loco, and y'all a buckle, you say you will go, but I know you won't, cause I got lots of problems, I got lots of problems, I got lots of problems, fuck it, let's be honest, I got struggles, I got problems, I got lots of problems, I got lots of problems, I got struggles, I got lots of problems, I got lots of problems, I got lots of problems, fuck it, let's be honest, I got struggles, I got problems, I got lots of problems, I got lots of problems,
I do.
I got struggles. Once upon a time in a town called where the fuck I'm living at, they lived a man named Mesus, he said shit, let's put this on the map, so they voted on it, me, myself, and I, we won unanimous, 3-3, but if you say that, there's only one answer, kiss, tongue in cheek, love to speak, shit say ice, yup, that's it, oxymoron, box me moron, vegans, you don't want no beef, rapping till I got no teeth, my Middle East ain't got no peace, tryna live my dreams, ain't got no sleep, honestly, I'm about to freak the fuck, I fuck out of here with that bullshit, I ain't got no time for that, I will just kill you, like.
Hope your teeth don't fall out anytime soon, Mesus, because I know you're saying rap till you don't have no more teeth. I mean, you're going to be super old. So hope you don't get older anytime soon. I hope you keep it coming for us. Many years to come, brother.
I ain't got no rhymes for that, no telling where I might be at or how the fuck I might react. I might just snap like Michael Jackson, dancing back up out his casket. I don't know what type of shit you thinking, but you're tripping if you're thinking that I'm flipping. Even for a buck a minute, I admit it, should have been admitted, fitting for a minute, keep my fingers stitched in it while I sit and try to rip it. Fucking gimmick, I'ma give it everything until I win it. If you think it's about skin, then you thinking fucking eating, come and get it, little bitch. If you thinking that I'm timid, and you find out real quick that I'm living while I'm spitting, almost quick, cause it's bitter what you think I'm spitting. I'm skin to the genesis, venomous friends of his brain.
If you don't know this guy by now you know this guy. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and link this guy's Mesus's YouTube page in the description down below. Hit him up. Show this guy some love. For real, guys. Don't sleep on him. For real.
This premiership never hits, never mind that. Need the money, fucking minutes, it's never gonna happen. Rapping like a madman or a girl on a ragged dragon. Come by with a backpack, jetpack to the prince, so just stand back, man. Cause I got lots of problems, I got lots of problems, I got lots of problems. Fuck it, let's be honest, I got screws, I got problems, I got lots of problems, I got lots of problems. Oh yeah, I got screws, I got lots of problems, I got lots of problems, I got lots of problems. Fuck it, let's be honest, I got screws.
I like this, man. I love it, man. I love it. Woo! Another awesome track by Mesus, man. Thank you, brother. Thank you. That's all I gotta say, man. I definitely listen to his music in my car. That's for sure. You can check my playlist. I'll show it to you guys. It's on Google Play. For sure, man. Like, this dude's on my playlist, man. For real. He's got like 3 tracks that I listen to regularly. But if you guys like him, like I said, I'm going to put his link for his YouTube in the description down below. Hit him up. Show him some love. Subscribe to his channel. Give him some thumbs up, man. Like, he deserves it. Like, for real. Like, this guy works hard. He is not lazy at all. He is working hard. But either way, guys, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next reaction. Peace.